Have you ever followed a YouTube cooking tutorial only to have it fail completely? I attempted Chef Anna Olson's Crème Caramel recipe, and let's just say, it didn't go well. The recipe starts out easily enough by mixing whole eggs, egg yolks, sugar, vanilla, and kosher salt with 2 cups of cold milk. I had never heard of using cold milk for creme caramel before, but Anna Olson is a trained pastry chef, so I trusted her. The next step was to strain the mixture and let it settle while I made the caramel. This part I have no complaints about. It worked perfectly. I simply added water, sugar, and lemon juice to a pot and let it come to a boil. I resisted the urge to stir. Instead, something I learned from Chef Olson is to brush the sides of the pot with cold water to prevent the sugar splatters from solidifying. It's a great tip. Once the sugar turned to a caramel color, I removed it from the heat and immediately poured it into 4 ramekins in a roasting pan. I let the caramel cool slightly and divided the custard mix between the 4 ramekins, then poured hot water into the roasting pan until it came about halfway up. I then covered with aluminum foil and baked at 300 for 30 to 35 minutes, and this is where things went wrong. After 30 minutes, the custard was still completely liquid. When I checked again after another 30 minutes, it was still quite jiggly. I finally gave up and took them out after an hour and 15 minutes. Then I let them cool before chilling in the fridge for 4 hours. When it came time to plate, I ran a small palette knife around the edge of the ramekin, then put a plate over the top, flipped it over, and it still wasn't completely cooked or set. I think next time I'll stick to our tried and true creme caramel recipe, which you can find in the description. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Dished.